Hi all, welcome to today's class. Today, let us see the continuation of Chapter 3, Introduction to Database Management System. And our today's topic is relationship. Relationship is nothing but the relation between two entities in the database. What is the communication between two entities? That is what known as relationship type. According to the ER model, there are three different types of relationships available in the ER model. So they are one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-many relationship. Let us learn about these three types of relationship in brief. First, let us see about one-to-one relationship. One-to-one relationship is a one-is-to-one relationship where an entity of A is associated with an entity of B. Let us see an example here. We have two entities or databases, entity A and entity B. So here, the entity A is related with entity A1 and entity B is related with the entity B1 and the entity C is related with the entity C1 and the entity D is related with the entity D1. Such a relationship of entities is known as one-to-one relationship. Let us see about one-to-many relationship. In one-to-many relationship, the entity of A database is related to many of the entities in the database 2. Let us see an example. Here, the entity 1 database or entity A database has an entity A, and the entity B database has the entities A, B, C, and D. So the entity A is related with the entity A, B, and C, D of the second database. Such a relationship of entity is known as one-to-many relationship. A single entity of the database 1 is related with many entities of database 2. Such a relationship is known as one-to-many relationship. Many-to-many relationship. The entity of first database is connected with many entities of database 2. For example, entity A database is having two entities A and B. The entity B database is having A1, AB, B1, C1 and D1 entities. So the entity A database, the entity A is related with all the entities of database B. And the entity B is related with all the entities of database B. Such a relationship is known as many-to-many relationship. An entity of a database is related with all the entities of the other database. Relationship instance. Each instance of a relationship between members of these entity type is called relationship entities. So the relationship between an entity of a database with the other database is known as entity instance. So here, staff and department are two databases. In staff, RAM is related with the department science, Shine is related with the department maths, and Abdul is related with the department commerce. So such a relationship is known as relationship instance. The next one what we are going to see is degree of relationship. The number of entity types involved in a degree, involved is known as degree of relationship. So we know 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree of relationships are available in the database. So here, for example, we take a database student. It's related with the other entities like principal, teachers, parents. So a student is related with principal, teachers as well as parents. So such a relationship is known as degree of relationship. So thank you students. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.